Game. Hi guys, welcome to 168, the t-shirt capital of the world.
Balik na lang kami dun, ma'am.
We are in Hong Kong right now and I'm with Butoy.
This is not Hong Kong, this is Singapore.
Hi, Singapore. It's Papa Joe on the camera.
Hello.
You can see you can see a lot of t-shirts and bags.
I think I like this bag over here. It's very like passport
The passport bag.
and Rizal. Oh,
Inside bag.
it's the pangkamot. Makamot ang puwet.
Sa panghangot gadget. And we are looking for very cheap t-shirts for our anniversary
I
celebration.
found what I
You have found gold.
Not bold.
Pero kayo malalaki niyan.
Yo, speak in English.
She won't understand.
Speak Bisaya. Uy, there's ano?
Walang black. Ay, medyo
Hi.
dark.
A lot, a lot of glasses. Yun.
Magkano ang glass
Oo
niya?
nga, no? Magkano yun?
Pero okay lang
180?
ba kung ano?
Oh.
Pero pwede, yung
color.
gusto quality ba pwede itong pagprintan?
Ano siya, masyadong manipis. Yung gawin pang eleksyon.
Hindi ka masyadong manipis to?
Oo. Yung pambabae kasi min eh. Pambabae lang ba talaga?
Hindi, lima sa babae,
Can I try? We are doing a travel show
Travel show.
in the internet. Magkano to? 180? Wala namang bawas yun. May discount. Okay, meron siyang tag. Black and white yan, no?
Na, black and white.
Okay, bagay ba yan? Mag-comment kayo.
Yeah.
Walang
Okay, kung bagay to, i-like nyo, push the like button.
Like button.
Ganun.
Or delete our from our friends list.
100.
Parang okay itong blue, ah.
Si Botoy bumibili.
Ay, ano to eh. May ganito.
Pwede yung lagyan ng grado to, no?
Sa araon.
Magkano yung ganyan?
180. Kung matinista ako, pwede to eh.
Ito di ako niya.
Tara, bili nga ako.
Kasi labo kasi yung page ko kaya gusto ng palitan ng aviator sila. Aviator na.
If you are buying shades, you can buy it here on the t-shirt capital of the world.
This is not a t-shirt cap.
What is your name, Ate? Si Ate Rosaline is...
Have you ever been in love?
Have you been ever... Ganun.
So what is love, guys?
Hmm. So, is there love existing here? Ganun eh.
Wow, ang
Maling grammar.
Hindi kasi sa mukha ko.
So what's
This is
next?
too small.
Yun.
Ano next? Saan pupunta?
Let's kill time.
Yan. How large is the memory of your